Alright, Matt, tell us what's happening.
Well, right now we decided that we were gonna venture out of the house for the first time since the blizzard started.
What time was that?
It was about 1 o'clock, 1:30 yesterday.
Which was February 1st, 2011.
Yes. And it's been snowing for... What time is it?
I have no idea, dude. I would say around
16
11.
to 18 hours, I would say. It's probably been snowing. It's pretty much 2 feet.
2 to 3 feet.
In the, just overall 2 feet. There are low places because of the blowing, and then there are really big drifts that are easy.
I would say 5 feet. Some are 5 feet.
Yeah, some are 5 feet. And we made it to the end of the block, but it's really tiring to walk in 2 feet of snow. So we're taking a break here in the parking lot. I made myself a seat in this little snowdrift.